Now let me show you how to color grade your footage. Open your Premiere, open new project. You can open the project and give a name. You can give any name. I'll give 5 free. And okay. Here you can import your footage where you have kept. I have kept in a desktop. Import it. Here you can change your view. I like this kind of view. I have got 4 clips. I want to show this one. I want to show this one. How to color grade this one. Just take a small point, in and out point, and drag it to your timeline. Here. Make an adjustment layer. Hit OK and drag it to the top of your footage. Make it same. Go to color tab. Before we color grade, we must color correction our footage. Now we'll do a basic color correction. Increase the exposure, contrast, highlight, share down. Then go to creative, sharpen your image, vibrant also a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Before, after. So now go to your adjustment layer. Here in the basic correction you will find a input LUT, but don't input there. Just come back to the creative. Here you click it, browse it, where you have kept, search it for it. I have kept in my desktop, my LUTs, and then that's a forest. Bam. Before, after. Here if you put it in a creative, here you can adjust your intensity, lower or higher, right here. You don't have to go to the edit panel, just you can increase or decrease your intensity from here. So I'd like to put it around 60 to 70. Yes. Before, after, before, after, before, after. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, please do like and subscribe my channel.